fọba tó gbà mí là lọ́wọ́ ogun tó jọgbọ́n orí mi lọ. Olùtọ́jú mi o, tẹ́wọ́ gbọ́ ọpẹ́ mi. Welcome back, everybody. I really appreciate everybody for joining this show today. Oyebolarinwa Israel, thank you so much. We love you, brother. Thank you so much. Mr. Olugbenga Ogumuditi, thank you so much, sir. We appreciate you, sir. It's been a long time. Mrs. Busola Jesu Gift Orimolade, thank you so much. Mama Ibeta, Befu. Thank you so much. We really appreciate everybody for joining this show. So that's it for our conversation. Next week is another day. Please, if you have anything that you want to share on this platform, please make sure you contact me on Messenger. Maybe you heard about the story. I'm a learner. Ọmọdé ni mí, èló lọ́jọ́ orí mi, mi ò tí ju 10 years lọ. And I want to learn more. Please, if you read story to just and this is going to be useful for your journalings. Please, we want you to share it with us. Let's rub minds together. We are all here to learn. When I'm reading your comments right here, it's talk now. I learned from there. And that is a good point too. Please, let's do that. Please, the competition, let me announce it again. So this is a talent show competition. You have to do a video. It's either you are good at singing, dancing, jingle, comedy, drama. You are a motivational speaker. You are a fashion designer, carpenter. Just showcase your talent. That is what this competition is about. And you have from now till October 15 to submit your. Oh, let's have a go. Please, if you are interested, please make sure you send a message to me through WhatsApp. Put down your name. I'm going to write it down. Please make sure you put down your name. So that is really important. We are going to have panel that are going to watch all these things and make and choose the winner. And the winner is going to be chosen on October 31st, Saturday, 9 p.m. Nigeria time, as usual. So, but your video has to be like 4 to 5 minutes. Your production has to be on point. Your content has to be meaningful. Please don't bring any meaningful content over here. Please. So the first prize is going to win 50,000 naira. The second prize 30,000 naira. The third prize 20,000 naira. Thank you. So let's do our recharge card. Our recharge card. We have MTN and Glo. That's the last recharge card of the day. Ready? Fast finger. 5901 8266 7517 54803. Again, 5901 8266 7517 54803. The last one is Glo. 87930 21688 55571. Again, 87930 21688 55571. That's it. And also, I want to tell you, last week, as soon as we finished the show, I posted all this recharge card on the on my page, on my Facebook page, and luckily somebody won I think it's Airtel on Glo. So after this show, I'm going to put all this recharge card, I'm going to put it there. So people make mistakes and they forgot, and that people win one recharge card, 500 recharge card on the distance. See? So it happens. So I'm posting it back on purpose because some people might not see it and make mistake and not load it. I think most of us are using a lot of MTN. Maybe we should remove Airtel. I don't know. Please let me know what you think. I'm going to read the comments later on. Maybe we should do only MTN. It seems people are not using Glo and Airtel that much. The famous one is the MTN. Please make sure you comment. I'm going to read your comments and make a decision about it. So the last winner of the day, we're picking the last winner. Please, before we pick the winner, please to participate in this giveaway. All you have to do is make sure you go back to the YouTube video and comment. just appreciate us for a job well done. And that video that we are doing is just to educate ourselves. Èmi náà kì í ṣe ọ̀mọ̀wé o. When I see it, an article, then I say, oh, this is good for you and me. Can you believe it that when I do that video, me too, I'm learning. I learned through that article. So I want you, what I'm saying, I want you to see it too. So that, some people will listen to that video and say, ọ̀rọ̀ èmi ló dẹ̀ ń bá wa, and make an amendment. And your life can change from there. So, mi ò ṣe ọ̀mọ̀wé o, mi ò ní philosophy. Èmi náà try ni mò ń gbìyànjú. But let's learn together.
It's no matter about English.
Yeah, it's not. Mi ò tiẹ̀ mọ̀ English ọ̀sán mélòó mo lè sọ. Ẹ̀yin náà ṣe ẹ ti gbé mi yẹ̀wò mélòó mo lè sọ. I even prefer Yoruba, but we have some people that are watching it that won't understand. That's why I prefer Yoruba. Kí n máa sọ Yoruba ju English lọ. Because èdè wa ni a dẹ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ gbé lárugẹ. We have so many countries tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n gba English wọlé o. Wọ́n gbé èdè wọn bí ẹni gbé gold ni. Wọ́n ò fi ṣeré. It is in Nigeria you will see somebody tó máa name ọmọ Yorùbá tá name ẹ̀ ní Kingston. Shakira. Beyonce. Ronaldo. Orúkọ olórúkọ. A ti gbàgbé àṣà wa ni ṣé wà. I'm telling you over here. Oh, we don't mọ nǹkan tá a gbé dání o. Tá bá jáde tá lọ sí party, as Nigeria we do. Tá bá wé gèlè báyìí. Wọ́n ti ń lọ báyìí. Nigeria, yes. Wàá tún fakọ sí Nigeria. Yeah, I'm in Nigeria.
You look beautiful.
Forget about what our people are doing. We look beautiful. Ọlọ́run ó dá wa tán ni. If immediately they hear that name, I think my husband was making a call yesterday and it was I don't know what happened. He said ta ló ń bá wíńgbà yìí ló sọ pé but you are Nigeria, why are you doing that? I don't know, I've forgotten what happened. He had to, but you are Nigeria. He said, but you are African, eh? I think he said, maybe it's somebody. Why are you bearing that name? When I name my kids, I name them one is Iyanoluwa, Ayomikun Oluwatobi. Iyanoluwa, that was the first one. Mo lọ sí school, I told the teacher, should I change it? I think it's too difficult for you. He said, no, don't change it, put it there. We adjust. I'm going to learn it. And she did. Every day she will ask me, please tell me that name again, Iyanoluwa. Then she learned it now. Ó tún mọ̀ pé ju èmi gan fún ara mi lọ. Be proud. Go there. Mom, how can we help you? Your name is what's your name? I'm Ayotunde. It's not I'm Ayotunde Faledo. Then they will ask you what is the meaning. When they hear the meaning and you tell them, oh wow, we love it. These people, they don't have culture, but we do. They appreciate you when they have culture. Ẹ jẹ́ kí inú wa máa dùn. Ìwọ tó bá ti ń jẹ́ stone tẹ́lẹ̀, má lọ jẹ́ stone mọ́, change it. Please.
Change it to Bob.
Thank you so much, everybody.
Okay.
Okay, let's pick a name.
So, let's see the lucky winner.
Yeah, the lucky winner for today.
Don't lose hope. If you don't win today, comment and like. You can win tomorrow.
Yeah, you can win tomorrow.
You can win tomorrow. Don't lose hope. Let me see.
Okay. Number 2. Whoa. Number 2. Let's see who is that. Adewale Oluwaseun. Congratulations to you, Adewale Oluwaseun. Congratulations, that's another 5,000 naira. So we have 2 winners. We're only picking 2 names because people did not comment. And we only have maybe like 30 something names. Maybe 32 names or something like that. Of those people that comment that are new to the platform. So we have Adewale Oluwaseun and Aliu Mariam. These are the lucky winner for today. They win 5,000 naira each. Please don't forget, we are only using this money to help our people. At least you can use that money to buy food. That is our aim. If you go back to our YouTube program, you know what this platform is all about. We want to be able to put a smile on the faces of the less privileged. We never know. They've seen so many people to just pay. They don't even know where their next meal is coming from. And when we get to their footstep, they did what? They are so happy. Their heart is full of joy. And now their body and soul is revived again. That is what we want to do on this platform. And also don't forget, on this platform, if you are interested in any business, I'm here. Just tell me. I'm going to help you to buy it, do this, buy it, and send it over. Then I will tell you, go and pick it up at so place, and you give them the money. Just tell me whatever business you want to do. I'm just going to buy it here, send it over to Ondo. That is where our warehouse is. Ondo, go and pick it up, and you pay. Please, you can't take any goods without paying. I won't allow that. Make sure you have your money, but I'm going to buy it. Just tell me. I'm going to buy it here and send it over to you. So those are the things we're going to be doing for ourselves on this platform. Thank you, everybody. I really appreciate you. Please make sure another video is going to be out on Monday. Make sure you watch it and comment. If you don't win today, next week is there. On Monday, another video is going to be out. Thank you. I appreciate every one of you. I really want to thank our sponsors, our supporters. You guys are really doing a wonderful job. I don't know how to express myself. You've gone beyond what I expected, but I really appreciate you for it. Thank you so much. Please don't go. And also, please don't let me forget. As from next month, we are going to be having two shows every week, Thursday and Friday. Please make sure. Thursday and Saturday, Thursday, our Saturday still remain. I'm just adding Thursday to it. Thursday and Saturday, we will be bringing people on the show for Thursday, even Saturday when we see it's this coronavirus pandemic that's pulling us back, and we are not even going back. But you know how it is. It's really a serious case over here. You trust nobody. You don't even trust your husband. You have to be suspicious because this disease, and you don't even know some people that are carrying it. Some people are A and LD. Wọ́n feel any temperature. Kò sí nǹkan tó ṣe wọ́n. Wọ́n á dẹ̀ pín fún ẹlòmíì tó ti ní problem bí àwọn tó ti ní diabetes and everything. Please, let's follow the guidelines that they give, the NCDC give to us. It's really important. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká kó ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn sọ́dà because you never know. Ẹlòmíì ò ní sick. Ìwọ tó ti ní sickness, tó ti ní underlying sickness tẹ́lẹ̀, tó bá ti gbé lura, ó lè ṣe pé the last breath ẹnìyẹn. So use your face mask when you go out. Make sure you maintain 6 feet. When you come back inside, make sure you put soap and wash your hands. It's that simple. Tí kú o. Wọ́n ò ní pé ká kú o. Just follow the guideline and that's it. Thank you so much. Please don't go. Let's dance together.
Ó gbọ́dọ̀ dára fún mi kí n lè dìde fẹ́ lómìíràn. Ó gbọ́dọ̀ dára fún mi kí n lè dìde fẹ́ lómìíràn. Ó gbọ́dọ̀ dára fún mi kí n lè dìde fẹ́ lómìíràn. Ó gbọ́dọ̀ dára fún mi kí n lè dìde fẹ́ lómìíràn. Lórúkọ Jésù èmi náà fẹ́ fakọyọ. Ó gbọ́dọ̀ dára fún mi kí n lè dìde fẹ́ lómìíràn. Lórúkọ Jésù èmi náà fẹ́ ga láyé. Ó gbọ́dọ̀ dára fún mi kí n lè dìde fẹ́ lómìíràn. Lórúkọ Jésù èmi náà fẹ́ tayọ. Ó gbọ́dọ̀ dára fún mi kí n lè dìde fẹ́ lómìíràn. Èmi náà fẹ́ tayọ kí n lè dìde fẹ́ lómìíràn. Ó gbọ́dọ̀ dára fún mi kí n lè dìde fẹ́ lómìíràn. Ó gbọ́dọ̀ dára fún mi kí n lè dìde fẹ́ lómìíràn. Ó gbọ́dọ̀ dára fún mi kí n lè dìde fẹ́ lómìíràn. Ó gbọ́dọ̀ dára fún mi kí n lè dìde fẹ́ lómìíràn. Ó gbọ́dọ̀ dára fún mi kí n lè dìde fẹ́ lómìíràn. Torí pé ipòkípò yòówù kí n lè wà ó, láyékáyé yòówù kí n lè wà ó. Ó gbọ́dọ̀ dára fún mi kí n lè dìde fẹ́ lómìíràn. Torí pé ipòkípò yòówù kí n lè wà ó, láyékáyé yòówù kí n lè wà ó. Ó gbọ́dọ̀ dára fún mi kí n lè dìde fẹ́ lómìíràn. Àyànmọ́ tó dáa là ń kíkú oríire. Orí tó bá sunwọ̀n láyé máa ń kí. Ayọ̀túndé Fálẹ́kan òkú iṣẹ́ òre. àdúrà mi ni pé kọ́lọ́run gbé ọ̀gá kí wọn náà jẹ́ ènìyàn kémi náà jẹ́ ènìyàn lórúkọ Jésù ó gbọ́dọ̀ dára fún wa nípòkípò ewu kí lè wà ó láyékáyé ewu kí lè wà ó gbọ́dọ̀ dára fún mi kí lè dìde fẹ́ lómìíràn nípòkípò ewu kí lè wà ó láyékáyé ewu kí lè wà ó gbọ́dọ̀ dára fún mi kí lè dìde fẹ́ lómìíràn nípòkípò ewu kí lè wà ó láyékáyé ewu kí lè wà ó gbọ́dọ̀ dára fún mi kí lè dìde fẹ́ lómìíràn. Àwọn olóore rèé ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o.
Àwọn olóore rèé ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o.
Àwọn olóore rèé ẹ ṣé o.
Àwọn olóore rèé ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o.
Sọlítayọ̀ Fáńlẹ̀kan New Generation olówó orí Ayọ̀túndé ẹ kú iṣẹ́ òre mo kíyọ̀kíyọ̀ àdúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o.
Àwọn olóore rèé
Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o. Àwọn olóore rèé ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o. Mrs. Ellie Onítèmi láyé Akínbọ́bọ̀yé
ìyá àfẹ́bọ̀.
sí gbogbo USA.
Àwọn olóore rèé ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o.
Mr. Ọlárẹ̀wájú ọ̀sí ìzó ọ̀nàrẹ́bù mi
Personal
gan-an ẹ
blessing.
kú iṣẹ́ o.
Àwọn olóore rèé ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o.
Mrs. Ọlọ́runfẹ́mi Ìdàrọ́mí Àbíọ́dún óyá jọjọ́ yìí.
Àwọn olóore rèé ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o.
Mrs. Fọlákẹ́ owó dùn ní
Mama
Mrs.
Jiji.
Mọ́kúnlọ́lá Adégúnlẹ̀.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni àti mi tó ṣúọ̀.
Àwọn olóore rèé ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o. Mr. Robi ọ̀la ìtàn Mr. Thompson Gbẹ̀kẹ̀lé Mr. Felix Ọmọláyọ̀.
Àwọn olóore rèé ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o.
Mrs. Rotty Adébọ̀lọ̀ Mrs. Bakari Ẹ̀bùn Olúwa Mr. Jerry Akíngbá.
Àwọn olóore rèé ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o.
Ẹ bá mi kí màmá mi Pastor Mrs. Victoria Akínítirẹ̀.
Àwọn olóore rèé ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o.
Gbogbo èyí tó kù tá ò lè dárúkọ Ọlọ́run mọ̀ ní ṣùgbọ́n àdúpẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́. Àwọn olóore rèé ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o. Àwọn olóore rèé àdúpẹ́ ṣe.
Àwọn olóore rèé
Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o.
ẹ ṣé o, mo dúpẹ́ o. Lágbára ògo Ọlọ́run. Nígbà tí àìsàn COVID-19 tó bá máa kúrò, gbogbo wa jọ máa jó, a máa yọ̀. But now, we have to be watchful. Ní bá coronavirus yìí lọ.
Àmín Jésù.
Àwọn ọmọ wa ẹbí wa kò ní bá wọn lọ. Lágbára ògo Ọlọ́run. Bá a ṣe believe tó ní Nàìjíríà, ó kúkú ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Ó wọ àwọn gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì wa ní ó jẹ́ ká mọ ètò. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ jẹ́ ká gbìyànjú. Nígbà Ebola bá ṣe sọ náà nìyẹn, irọ́ ni. Àwọn èèyàn dẹ̀ ń kú pí. Ẹni tó bá kàn, òun ló mọ̀. Thank you so much, everybody. Please make sure you watch our next video. It's going to be dropping on YouTube. And also this, we're going to download this Facebook Live. You can also go back to YouTube and watch it. But next week, we're going to figure out what went wrong today, because we are trying to make sure we do the live video at the same time. The YouTube is going to be on live, and the Facebook also. By the time about to graduate, we'll be doing Instagram. So we'll be doing Instagram Live, Facebook Live, and YouTube Live. Thank you so much, everybody. I appreciate you. You guys are wonderful. We are family already. I pray that this pandemic will be over. Then when we come to Nigeria, then you can see us. We celebrate together and celebrate all these things. Because torí pé kí ni Olúwa dá wa sí, ẹbí wa ò bá lọ, ìyá wa ò bá lọ, àwọn bàbá wa ò bá lọ. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. See you 9 p.m. Nigeria time next week. But again, make sure you subscribe. It's really important. Make sure you comment and like our video. Thank you so much. Grateful. We love you.
Love you.
ní iṣẹ́ tọ́lọ́run gbélé wa lọ́wọ́ ní ayọ̀ gently dídẹ́nu pẹ̀kẹ́ ọmọnìyàn pẹ̀lú àmọ̀dájú pé a ti fi ayọ̀ kan yé irú ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́nà tó yá.
ayọ̀ gently ẹ ṣe fún ọ lọ́wọ́.
ní jíjowú èmi jowú rere tá ò bá ní parọ́ ayọ̀ gently tó ń tà ń ṣàfarawé ẹ̀ á dá yàtọ̀ nípa ká ní ọkàn ìṣòro ká ṣagbátẹrù ìlọsíwájú ọmọnìyàn ó jẹ wá lógún ní gbogbo ọjọ́ rírú ìrètí àwọn tó kù díẹ̀ káàtó fún sókè láwùjọ ní àyò wa ojúṣe àtọ̀runwá tiwa ni láti máa bòrúrò ìtura síbi tí bàtà ti ń ta mọ̀túnmọ̀ wà lẹ́sẹ̀ ká jẹ́ àlàfo tó wà láàrin olówó àti tálíkà ní iṣẹ́ tọ́lọ́run gbélé wa lọ́wọ́ ní ayọ̀ gently dídẹ́nu pẹ̀kẹ́ ọmọnìyàn pẹ̀lú àmọ̀dájú pé a ti fi ayọ̀ kan yé irú ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́nà tó yáyì ní ìgbàgbọ́ tiwa tí ìwọ bá fẹ́ mọ gbogbo bó ṣe ń lọ ní ayọ̀ gently ó lè darapọ̀ mọ́ wa ní yàjóyàjó lórí Facebook bí a ti ṣe ń ṣètò wa láì gbogbo ọjọ́ sátidé ní